lahat tayo makasalan. Do unto others what you want others to do unto you. Not do unto others what you do not want others to do unto you. Golden rule lang po yun. Mga ibang lugar na gusto pang mag-persona dyan, dagdagan nyo pa! Alam ko!
Grabe, no? Gusto ko mag-react doon. Bakit? May mga bagay akong gustong i-share sa inyo na pwede natin matutunan doon. And I'll sum it up to 3 simple things. Number 1, with every action comes an equal and opposite reaction. We are free to do the choices that we want to make. Pwede mo sabihin wala kang pake, but we are not free of the consequences. So, ginawa mong spoof yun, okay naman. Pero, hindi mo rin masisisi yung tao kung binabash ka, kung nagre-react sila sa ginawa mo because you did something. That's why everyone is reacting. Think before you speak and think twice before you act. Kung kaya mo namang saluhin yung consequence, why not? Yun nga lang, minsan kailangan mo din tapikin yung sarili mo kasi baka mamaya, sa sobrang wala kang pakialam, hindi mo alam na may mga na-offend ka na pala because of your actions. Number 2, respect begets respect. Respect is something that you gain but you don't impose. Kung papanoorin niyo yung buong video na in-stitch ko, meron dun part na sinasabi niya na golden rule lang yan eh. Gawin mo sa iba yung gusto mong gawin sa'yo at wag mong gawin sa iba yung ayaw mong gawin sa'yo. Same goes with respect. If you want to be respected, learn to respect others first. With religion naman, open ako when it comes to that eh. You're not being commanded na i-follow yung beliefs, but kailangan matuto kang rumispeto. Kasi same thing eh. Parang sa ano lang yan eh. Kung halimbawa, titirahin yung pamilya mo, personal yan, tapos idadama yung family mo, di ba sasabihin mo rin na, huwag mo idama yung pamilya ko, ako na lang. Lahat po tayo is may mga bagay na mahal at pinoprotektahan natin. Same goes with religion. Alam naman natin na ang Pilipinas is a Christian country, mostly Roman Catholics. Hindi naman sinasabing paniwalaan mo yun eh. Ang sinasabi lang, matuto ka lang, respetuhin. The same way na gusto mong respetuhin yung mga bagay na pinapaniwalaan mo din. Number 3, walang mawawala kapag marunong kang magpakumbaba. Sabi nga daw nila, ang pinakamalaking pagkakamali is yung paniniwala mo na wala kang ginawang mali. If you offended people, even if you believe that you're right, wala namang mawawala kung magpapakumbaba ka na lang eh. Minsan mas importante yung kapayapaan kaysa yung may gusto ka pang patunayan. If majority, diba, you have to look outside the box na majority, yun na nga yung reaction sa'yo, karamihan. Tingnan mo din, hindi yung sarili mo lang yung pinapaniwalaan mo. Kasi nga, majority na yan, ibig sabihin, baka mamaya, naka-offend ka talaga. Wala namang mawawala kung ikaw hingi ka ng tawad, mag-apologize ka. Hindi tapos, tandaan natin, you can master your craft nang hindi ka gumagawa ng anything na alam mong makakatapa ka sa ibang tao.